Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F27 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find notifications and quick settings. Here we have to open status bar, and as you can see here we've got the battery percentage, which is connected with the battery style. What I mean is that if you've got this horizontal one, after tapping on battery percentage, you've got three different options. So do not show, of course, outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. And those are the options which you can choose. However, if you will have, for example, the vertical option, the only option to display the battery percentage will be next to the battery icon. So all you can do is to simply turn it on and off. The same situation with the loop option and do not show. So this is how it works. As you can see, in the horizontal option, you've got the most options to choose from. So of course, set the option which you like the most. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. If so, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.